Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't take anything personally. Your truth is personal to you. Your own opinions and point of view reflect your own agreements and are personal to you. It's no one's truth but your own. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials trading up 213 points. You get the NASDAQ up 520. S&P's up 75. Gold contract up $37.80, trading at $17.15 an ounce. You get silver up 80 cents, $26.04 an ounce. Light sweet crude down $1, $64 flat. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note up 14 ticks, 132.10. The 30-year up a full point at 157.25. And King Dollar. King Dollar's down 388 ticks, trading 91.925. The Euro's at 119. The yen is out here at 108.44, and the British pound's at 139 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, we were talking about flipping into a consolidation. We get a consolidation. That's the bottom line, folks. Bottom line, you talk about fast, furious correction. Yeah. Well, guess what? Very small in the S&P. Fast, furious, no two ways about it. You get the SPY right now up $7.68. You're at 389. This is going for the highs, folks. So you broke the downtrend. Highs a game right now, 394. If we do go over to the Dow Industrials, that hit a new all-time high yesterday. It's laying right at that high up here today. It looks to me like it's going to close at an all-time high. NDX 100. You're going to love the NDX, man. Just depending on how long you've been in the marketplace. This is the personality of the NDX. You get the three Qs are up $13.46. Bottom line is that when you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that, the NDX, fast, furious on the way down, no two ways about that, comes all the way back to the November 2nd. Now, if you take a look at this, folks, okay, this is when you put price and volume together. If you have my book, The Art of Time in the Trade, that's basically that's how I look at markets. This thing came right down to that, and it came down after you get a huge amount of selling. Bottom line, the rejected lower price. Start moving higher yesterday. We'll see where the NDX can go. I suspect that the NDX is going to get a little flack at the 1330 area. But markets want higher price. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? This is absolutely a classic inside the gold market, folks. The bottom line, the gold market basically hammers people on the way down, gets greed and fear on the way up, and, right when you think that, hey, man, it's all over, guess what? That's when the turns take place. Bottom line is that you get the gold contract up $37. You get volume behind the move. We go take a look at a few of the gold equities for the Tigers and Tigresses out here. We start with the GDX. Bottom line is that the GDX, if you happen to be into candlestick charting, okay, this is about as cool as you get. You get an island bottom. And what happens with an island bottom, folks, or an island top, the more days that it basically has taken to form, the stronger, this is the theory, the stronger that it is. In this particular case, we get 7 days of trading, which is one beautiful thing. That's the first part. Second part gets actually more intriguing. And what the second part is, if we take a look at this and you see how this is set up, we broke the downtrend. And, we'll see whether it's going to be a break with conviction. But you broke the downtrend. That's saying the GDX now, we're at $32.56. That is saying that, hey, guess what? That's going to start making the run up to this $39. Now, let's go to the bond market because it's so cool, man. You got to put all these together. But all these turns are taking place simultaneously. And if you happen to be in the metals market, you want to start learning just the dollar and the bond market because in both cases, they're crucial to the metals market. When we take a look at the bond market, what you're going to see out here, you get the 10-year up 14 ticks. Bottom line, you're off the lows. We're going to need follow-through. There's no two ways about that. You're going to need the follow-through, but you get the start. That's what you have out here. And what we have had inside the note and bond market, let me bring it back up here. You have had the test with tremendously lighter volume. When you get the test with tremendously lighter volume, folks, okay, that's the first part of looking at an equity, a currency, not a currency because we don't have volumes on currencies, commodities that, okay, these things are almost ready to go. Then you get a follow through like that, you have some real action. King dollar, and King dollar is going to tie it up. We're going to take a look at King dollar. What you have with King dollar? King dollar came up to the 92,500 area. That's exactly what we were talking about yesterday, man. Bottom line, at 92,500, you have a seller. And it's almost like, you know, when you take a look at this chart, it's like, this is almost like a classic. This is like a Monet that you put up and say, okay, where can we go? We go here. It was just enough higher that you could absolutely speculate that, hey, man, this whole turn in the dollar is going to go a lot higher. Well, the bottom line, it hasn't. It flipped around out here today, and inside the dollar, you are also going to want to be basically looking for follow-through on the way down. If we go over to the euro, we take a look at the euro. The euro, this is a classic. Euro came right back. It actually went under its breakout area. Yeah, it did. It went under its breakout area. The breakout area that I'd be talking about on the euro is December 1st. Now, that number is 119.27. Once you get back inside 119.27, we are at 119.03. That also is going to put you in the higher range. We go to the British pound. We take a look at the British pound out here. What we have inside the British pound right now is trading at 139. And in that particular case, the 139 number, that was a very shallow retracement. That wants to go back to its highs. And then you get over to the yen. And as we get over to the yen, what you're going to see with the yen, that gave it up in spades. 109.23. You're at 108.47. That's a beautiful thing, folks. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.